It's present time, and as an MC perched high on the lyrical throne, the gift and the curse of his humble but confidence bewilder other MCs, leading them down the path of failure.
Yeah, I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. Niggas don't want no drama, they want validation. Fever right here, nigga.
I'm that burner on your hip, safety on slip, oil to the T, complete with the rubber grip. And you squeeze until I clip, load me up with another clip and I spit it just the same. Strong arm, steady your aim, misplace and rearrange brains, it gets technical. Nigga diamonds predicting that fever will be the bless of you. Non-society spectacle, taking right of what's left of you. Mentally crippled syllables, leaving them fucking vegetables. Paraplegic in busy traffic, when your roof is retracting, I jump in the back, let's get in some action. And I don't even want the car, I just came to drop some jewels. Like a smashing rap gone wrong, clerk is steady popping fools. Ladies love our stick and move, what these foes finna prove. I ain't here to fucking lose, they better get a fucking clue.
Forget how you feel, this is all real. Load it up, cock it back, still at will. And fuck what you heard, fuck what you heard. Fever that real deal, nigga, fuck what you heard. Fuck what you heard, fuck what you heard. Got my niggas yelling, yeah, fuck what you heard.
You were rocking with a flamethrower, spitting one spitter quitters, fitted sagers, right in hand with the trigger finger, just shooting the gift like knowledge in a split. We roll it, then blow it, you catch it to get a lift. New edition, is this the end? Fever at it again, and I'm like, live the bow, cause I'm poisonous with this pen, and my flow is a fifth of hand, chase with a fifth of gin, something toxic we blend, cock 'em and block 'em and grin. I ain't lying, motherfuckers, I am what you ain't. Rappers act foul, trying to crowd up the paint. I shoot 20-footers, internet, that's game. I'm LeBron without James, the champ without Wade. Shoulder forever glaze, I guess I'm stuck in my ways. Militant minded, find them a new pawns in my lane.
Forget how you feel, this is all real. Load it up, cock it back, still at will. And fuck what you heard, fuck what you heard. Fever that real deal, nigga, fuck what you heard. Fuck what you heard, fuck what you heard. Got my niggas yelling, yeah, fuck what you heard.
I stay on the low, steady willing in a who ride. Punks is puffy for nothing, you pussies and get your tubes tied. Do-si-do, kid and play clowning, get souffle pounding, flour fry drown in some hot sauce. Bug your eyes a little more, maybe people will believe you. Quit biting and likely the people just might receive you. Feeble-minded, my lines chump like spades get cut for going blind in games you obviously can't play. Watch them fade like haircuts, new history. And what? On top like missionary. My mission is to give a fuck. Finger to the world, bulimic, I make them Earl. Got one show shot, but I wet them like Jerry Curls. Splash, I make them pass on your whack ass lines. I take a nigga to class for those whack ass rhymes. Like,
forget how you feel, this is all real. Load it up, cock it back, still at will. And fuck what you heard, fuck what you heard. Fever that real deal, nigga, fuck what you heard. Fuck what you heard, fuck what you heard. Got my niggas yelling, yeah.